Alright, so here's our second grade class playing Blackout Bowling. So this is in preparation for a full 10 pins and 2 shots. In this game, the bowler takes 1 shot, and the number of pins knocked over, we're playing with 6 pins. The number of pins knocked over gets marked down on the score sheet by the scorekeeper. The pins get set back up, and then they rotate. Oh good, they're figuring out. They're figuring out the order, which I have up there. It's kind of hard to see, but we go bowler. See if we can check it out. We go bowler, then scorer, and then the person sets up the pins and takes the ball back up to the beginning to bowl. So they're working out their order. This is a group of 4 here. We're gonna roll. So 0. Do you have any more zeros to mark on the sheet?
No.
Nope. So they just rotate. Eventually that sheet is going to be full. The sheet looks like this. 0 through 6 because we're playing with 6 pins. They get 1 shot, mark down that number on the scorecard, and then they rotate. These are the positions that they'll have a chance to play bowl, score, and then be in charge of the pins. If they're in a group of 4, they're going to do this, have a job for everybody. So it gets them used to the rotation, it gets them used to the scoring, because there will be a scorer using the iPad later in the week. They're trying to complete their whole sheet by getting it all marked off with an X on every space. See, this group's doing pretty good. We got a lot of numbers marked off on their sheet. Doing good, getting close. Which ones are the hard ones here? 4s and 2s it looks like.